Cam, we know that driving under the influence should never be done. But if you're ever in that predicament, do you know what to do?
Well, I'll tell you who does know what to do. Our trusted legal advisors at Demesmin in Dover. They sat down with us to explain what exactly is considered driving under the influence and what to do if you're in the situation. ISF, we are back at the law offices of Demesmin in Dover, our, of course, trusted legal advisor. And today we are talking all things driving under the influence. Guys, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
Well, let's go into our first question here. To get all the facts from you, what exactly constitutes driving under the influence?
So in Florida, you can be charged with driving under the influence if your blood alcohol content is over 0.08%. Or you can also be charged with a DUI after taking prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, or even illegal drugs, as long as they lead to your driving being impaired. And even if you haven't taken any drugs or drank any alcohol, you can even be charged with a DUI if your driving is just generally impaired due to lack of sleep or any other potential situation that you might be in that causes you to drive not so well.
Now, Josh, if you happen to be in this circumstance to where you are pulled over for a potential DUI, how exactly should you best handle that, as well as when you're talking to a police officer?
Well, first and foremost, in any interaction with a police officer, DUI or otherwise, it's always important to be very respectful and to keep your answers on topic of what they're asking you and as brief as possible. Don't give more information than you want, and also let them know in a very respectful manner that you don't feel comfortable talking about certain things without your attorney present, and that you want to seek legal representation before talking to them further.
And Hunter, if you do get into the situation to where you are actually cited for a DUI, what should you do then, and why should you call an experienced attorney at this?
So when you're cited for a DUI, it's incredibly important to remember several things immediately. First of all, that DUI citation that you get becomes your driver's license for the following 10 days because your driver's license is immediately suspended as soon as you are arrested for a DUI. So it's incredibly important to use that time to reach out to an experienced attorney as soon as possible because the options that you have become limited very quickly. Your options and the availability of what you can do to resolve the situation, both with your driver's license being suspended, as well as the options that you have as far as moving forward in your case to get the best outcome, become limited fast. And it's best to get an experienced attorney like those here at Demesmin and Dover to help you out with that, to put you in the right direction as soon as you can.
Well, you mentioned it there, Hunter. I mean, some of these topics are a little scary, but the good thing is we have you guys to call. So where can we go for more information, Josh?
Yeah, you can contact us a variety of ways. Call us anytime, 866-954-MORE, because we care more, or you can hit us up on our socials. I think they'll be in the bottom.
Well, guys, thank you so much for caring more and doing all that you do for our community and, of course, all that you do as our trusted legal advisor. Appreciate you guys helping on the show.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
Of course. Good to see you.